Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Snapchat Insights. So for this, the first step is to open the Snapchat app on this iOS device. So from here you will just have to move in the profile icon is the top left avatar icon. So from here what to do, a little bit scroll down to find my stories, or you can also just tap on the public profile. So from here you will just tap to swipe up. So this is, you will see the insights. So that here you can see viewers, screenshot, replies, all the insights. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.